Drop your head, drop your shoulder, relax. Wow, a little tight. Let me get in here. Yes, there you go. No!
That feels so much better. It does. Thank you. Oh, fuck. I cracked my neck, but it's never cracked like that before. Okay, I'm ready. Oh, shit. Thank you.
Give me breath in and out. One more in and out.
My body feels tight.
Yes, it is tight.
Oh, my goodness. Wait a second. My hip has never cracked before. You're not doing this, somebody else is. This is so much better on both sides.
In and out.
Oh! Holy shit. That's not even normal. Holy shit. Thank you. You're the man. For real. You are. Thank you so much.